Welcome to Kids Tiny Tales, where learning is fun. Let's learn and play.
Let's learn cooking words. Boil,
Boil,
pour,
pour,
slice,
slice,
bake,
bake,
grill,
grill,
fry,
fry,
peel,
peel,
simmer,
simmer,
mix.
mix. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click on the bell icon.